Welcome to our training video. Today, we'll be demonstrating how to connect your touchscreen to an external keyboard and mouse. This video is designed to provide you with step-by-step instructions to enhance your user experience. Connecting to a mouse. Firstly, we need to enable the mouse by setting the SRB12 register to on. This process revolves around a specific register known as SRB12. The SRB12 register is a crucial component in this setup, acting as the switch that turns the mouse functionality on or off. To enable the mouse, we need to set this SRB12 register to on. But how do we do that? We use a function called switch. The switch function is a feature that allows us to control various settings, including the SRB12 register. Open the switch function. You'll find a setting called execution setting. This setting controls whether the switch function is active or not. Set the execution setting to on. This activates the switch function, allowing us to make changes to the SRB12 register. Next, we need to select the SRB12 address. This tells the switch function that we want to make changes to the SRB12 register. Once you've confirmed your selection, the switch function will change the SRB12 register to on every time this button is pressed. This enables the use of the mouse. But what if you want the mouse to be enabled by default every time the touchscreen is powered on? There's a solution for that too. You can add an action and function in the public window. This function sets the SRB12 register to on when the window is initializing. In other words, as soon as the touchscreen powers on and the window initializes, the action and function automatically sets the SRB12 register to on. This means that the mouse is ready for use right from the start, without needing to manually enable it each time. And that's how you enable the mouse by setting the SRB12 register to on. It might seem a bit complex at first, but with a bit of practice, it becomes a straightforward process. Connecting to a keyboard. The versatility of keyboards extends beyond traditional computing devices. In the realm of human-machine interface, HMI, keyboards can be integrated to enhance user interaction. This allows for more precise control and efficient data input, making it a valuable addition to any HMI setup. In our tutorial, we'll delve into this lesser-known application of keyboards in HMI systems. Start with the project window. Begin by navigating to the project window on your screen. Here you'll find various options, including the keyboard option. Double-click on it to proceed. Identify keyboard types. Once you've opened the keyboard settings, you'll notice two types of keyboards listed: USB and serial. These represent the two main ways you can connect a keyboard to your system. Match communication settings. It's crucial to ensure that the communication settings of your system match the actual parameters of the serial keyboard. This is to ensure seamless communication between the devices. Connect the keyboard externally. To do this, look for the Use Keyboard option in the Control Settings page. Check this box to enable the use of an external keyboard. Following this, select the corresponding key that allows you to operate the selected component by clicking the corresponding button on the keyboard. Ensure consistent communication parameters. Make sure that the communication parameters of your system are consistent with the actual parameters of the keyboard. Select a component. Navigate to the component you want to work with. For instance, select a numeric input. Adjust keyboard settings. In the keyboard settings, choose not to use the pop-up keyboard. Instead, select Use Keyboard in the control settings. Operate the component. Now, when you press F1 on the keyboard, you will be able to operate the selected component. Move to the next button. After operating one button, let's move to the next. Pressing F2 on the keyboard will allow you to operate the next button. Change keyboard focus using SRB114. Register. The SRB114 register is used to change the keyboard focus. When SRB114 is off, the focus of the keyboard moves by pixels. When SRB114 is on, it moves in the order in which the components are added. Select an indicator light as per your requirement. Operate a component and switch focus. For example, operate a component. Press the right button of the keyboard and the focus will switch to the right component. Understand component addition order. If the components are moved in the order they are added, that is, the order of addition on the outline side, pressing the right button of the keyboard will move the focus to the next component.